maintindihan talaga kami.
When the music ends, when the lights go dim, when there's no one else around, I will still be here.
Kasi pagdating sa damit ni Catherine, ayoko nang tinitingin sa
When
ibang
the
lalaki.
colors fade, when the darkness breaks the light, when hope is out of sight,
Hindi mo lulukuhin yung anak niya.
Hindi po, papakasalan ko po anak niya.
cause love is strong, love is never wrong, love is where we belong.
Kaya nung bata ka,
Dumating
gusto
si
mo.
Catherine, nagbago yung type ko eh.
I will make this clear, I will always be here. I love you, I do, I do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you.
Binigyan ko si Kat ng tsokolate. Tsaka ng pagmamahal.
Love will be our song. Let this love be known. Love is God's finest work of art. Love will
Basta sabihin ko na
shine
lang, super special talaga po si
dark. If this feels colder, we can start all over and over and over again. I will make this clear. I will always
Sa akin kasi, mas importante sa isang lalaki yung gentleman talaga po yung maalaga. And na-DJ lahat.
do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you, I do, I do.
So, pwede na po siya. Pwede mo na ito ma-imagine na kasama ko.
My love shines, I will always find you. Have no fear. Love is here, love is true, love is me, love is you. I'll make this clear.
Talagang si Catherine po, gusto ko po siya.
I love you, I do, I do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you, I do.
Kumbaga, kontrapin ko po si Catherine para sa akin.
Make this
Isang prinsesa po.
I will always be here. I love you, I do, I do. So smile, you have me for life. I love you, I do,
Inspirasyon ko po si Catherine kaya nagsimula ito lahat. At ito nagdala sa akin eh.